How many of you have watched this video that is trending online since 3 days ago now?
Ebuka Obi na Galiki, mmiri nke ndị Israel ka ọ yọta ibe maka na nke ahụ ka ọ si nọ nke Jizọs. Nke ahụ dube na ya bụ nke ekwensu.
Biko Ebuka Obi, kedu ife ije na mmiri Galili game? Kedu ife ije eme ebe afọ?
The same thing that you are doing here comfortably without even paying anything is the same thing that he went to another man's country to do.
This is Ebuka Obi, who is always telling you, do not go to water. Don't go to water to go and do this. Don't go to water to go and make requests. Don't go.
Didn't you though that they are going to the river actually stand? You walk upon your life. I could remember when your pastor,
Evangelist Ebuka Obi went to Israel and he visited a Sea of Galilee where Jesus walked upon water. Evangelist Ebuka Obi was telling the people that this sea that you are seeing here, Jesus walked upon this sea about 2,000 years ago. All these native doctors, all these agents of darkness, they came online saying, Ebuka Obi, Christians, you people are condemning us. When they go to liver, do sacrifice, do spiritual work. Now, watching Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they find in this sea. Is it not the same thing? Are we not doing the same work? Now, let me tell you something. There is difference between light and darkness. Now, do you see Ebuka Obi in that river carrying Fanta, wearing white clothes with a Fanta and sweet? Do you see Ebuka Obi in that river doing sacrifice, calling mommy water? Do you see Ebuka Obi in that river doing incantation? Ebuka Obi was there because Jesus walked upon that water about 2,000 years ago. So these people are trying to convince people. They are trying to prove that we Christians are them where they worship idol. We are serving the same God. We are not serving the same God. Have you seen a Christian that maybe on Sunday morning they want to go church, they carry all the offering money and all the yam, maybe you want to do Thanksgiving for church, yam, they bring all this cow, bring all of them, carry and go for water, go put them for water? Have you seen a Christian that do it? The answer is no. Then go carry all those things, go to church, go do Thanksgiving where they want to do. But all of you, when they talk all this on social media, when those malign spirit and those idol where they worship do something for you, some of you people go carry money, go carry yam, go carry many things, Fanta, go to liver, go put them for liver, because you people believe that malign spirit is the one that help you people to get it. But we Christians believe that God in heaven is the one that help us. That is why sometimes we do Thanksgiving in the church, but you people do Thanksgiving in ocean, you people do Thanksgiving in water, you people do Thanksgiving in the sea. We are not the same. Now I want to talk something about it, because since many people, all these agent of darkness that is fighting the body of Christ, they have been saying, Christians, you people go to water, go do baptism, and you people are condemning us when they do spiritual work inside the water. Are we not doing the same work? No. A lot of people say that some Christians, that Jesus do spiritual work. My brother, Jesus no do any spiritual work in the Bible. That Jesus tell a blind man, go to river, go wash your face. Because sometimes Jesus preach on the mountain, sometimes Jesus preach on the desert. So when Jesus meet that blind man, maybe there was a river close to that place, he tell him, go and wash your face. Jesus does not tell that man, go to river, go and do sacrifice, go and bring lead candle, go and bring white bucket, Fanta. Jesus does not tell that man, just carry water, wash your face, come out. No incantation, nothing. When Jesus tell Peter, go to the river and bring fish, tear the belly of that fish, bring money in that place. Jesus do not tell Peter, go to the river, doing incantation. When you do incantation with white hanky, or with Fanta, or with white bucket, or with a lead candle, When you do it, that fish will come out. No, just go to the river. Bring any fish, any first fish where you go bring out. Tear in belly, bring money that place. That is the only thing Jesus told Peter. But now you people are saying that Jesus do spiritual work. You as a one, Ndubibias, all of you. Some people, they swim in river, in sea. Some people, they wash clothes. That does not mean that those people where they wash clothes in river, then they worship marine spirit, then they do sacrifice. That Christians do baptism in river does not mean they are worshiping the marine spirit. No. Now listen to me. Let me tell you something before I land up. If you come in rivers, there are some villages, there are some places you will go. They will tell you, this river that you are seeing here, crocodile, the spirit, the demon that live in this river, walk like a crocodile. Maybe sometimes crocodile will come out from that water. People go talk, say, this crocodile that you are seeing in this river, don't touch that crocodile. This crocodile is mommy water or papa water. They will call it a name. Some places you will go, you will see some rivers, you will see fish. They will tell you, don't touch that fish where they're inside the river, because they believe that the spirit that is in charge in that water, sometimes that spirit will come out like a fish. There are some places you will go, you will see python. They will tell you, don't touch this python. Why? Because they believe that sea, that water, sometimes the python will, sometimes the marine spirit will come out like a python in that water. And the reason, let me tell you, all this crocodile, fish, and all these python where they're in charge in some of rivers, in some of sea, where those native doctors and everyone in the worship, they are not ordinary animals. Evil spirit, demons, fallen angels live inside those animals that you have seen. They are not ordinary animals. So those people where they worship python, where they worship those crocodile, they are not worshiping that crocodile, but there is a spirit that live inside that crocodile they are worshiping. That is the spirit of Satan. That is demon. That is the fallen angels. So you, if you allow those people to deceive you, and if they deceive you, go do sacrifice inside the water, inside the river, you are worshiping that demons. You are worshiping those spirits. And you that hearing the sound of my voice, do not allow them to deceive you. We are not the same. We are not the same. They are worshippers of demons, the spirit that live under the water. They are worshiping the spirit that live under the water. They are worshiping pythons. They are worshiping fish. They are worshiping crocodile that live inside rivers. But we are worshiping our Father who art in heaven. We are worshiping the creator of heaven and earth. But they are worshiping all these animals. Don't allow them to deceive you, because I've been seeing what these people are saying on social media. They are trying to tell people that Christians and all these native brothers and everyone, they are worshiping the same God. We are not worshiping the same God.